Yes, visually.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. So good, more earnings, everyone. First and foremost, I want to wish everyone a very happy Diwali. This festival of lights reminds us of the importance of the new beginnings and the triumph of positivity. I would like to invite each one of you to take a moment and thank the person who has invited you here today. This gesture shows how much they care about you, your future, and your well-being. Attending this presentation is more than just an event. It's an opportunity that can pave way to your financial freedom for you and your loved ones. The invitation is truly the best gift they could offer you this Diwali. It's a chance for you to explore the possibilities that can change your life eternally. So without further ado, let's dive into what this opportunity has to offer and how we can embark on this journey together. So to begin with, let's understand who this opportunity is really for. Guys, this is for those ambitious individuals who are driven by big dreams, people who desire more than ordinary from their life. They want to own a dream house, not just a house, but a big one. They want to drive their dream car, the car that reflects their success. It is for those people who dream of taking their families on a luxurious vacation to some of the most beautiful cities and countries around the world. This is for those people who strive for financial freedom and want to live their life free of debt. And most importantly, they want to be their own boss in control of their destiny. If any of these things resonates with you, this is the opportunity you have been looking for. But in case if it doesn't, then I'm sorry, my friend, you are at the wrong place. You can decide to leave now and get back to your Netflix binge watch. But in case if this is resonating with you, then please continue to stay with us. So let's understand what are we here for. Are we here to make money or are we here to earn money? Now, there is a slight difference between, in fact, a very critical difference between earning money and making money. So let's understand what it is. When we earn money, we are essentially trading our time and skills for a paycheck. This is the path we have been conditioned to follow since our childhood, college days. We have always been told, work hard, put in those hours, and you will receive money in return. The problem is the system is limited by the number of hours and the skills we can acquire, and therefore the money which we earn is always limited. Now, making money is very different. It's about leveraging the opportunities to create wealth. Instead of trading your time for money, you build something, a business, an investment, or a system that generates income even when you are not actively working. Making your money work for you, making the money involves smart decisions, investments, and creating assets that work for you rather than you working for money. In essence, earning money is dependent on your efforts, but making money allows you to create freedom and scalability. So as Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money, you will make money while you sleep. You will work until you die. And what's the best way to make the money work for you? It's by investing wisely. You create a passive income streams that grows your wealth and gives you a freedom of life you want to live in. So let's understand where we have traditionally been investing. We have been investing in land, gold, banking instruments, mutual funds, and stocks. These are the investments we have known for generations. Not only just us, but our fathers, forefathers have relied on these avenues. These are safe, familiar options, and which we have seen over time. Let's look at the kind of returns these investments have actually delivered in the last over a decade. So property has given around 10 times in the last 10 years. A gold has given about 3 to 4 times. A stock market similarly has given about 3 to 4 times. Am I right? Does anybody wants to challenge these figures? I'm up for a debate. राजेश जी, क्या मेरे फिगर्स आंकड़े सही है या कोई इसको चैलेंज करना चाहता है? क्या हमने इन अपॉर्चुनिटी से इससे ज्यादा कभी कमाया है?
नहीं, आंकड़े एकदम सही है मैडम, और शायद कोई चैलेंज आज कर भी नहीं पाएगा, क्योंकि जो अपॉर्चुनिटी आप बताने जा रहे हैं उसमें जो रिटर्न देखने को मिलते हैं वो रिटर्न इससे ज्यादा कहीं नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे चैलेंज की बात नहीं आती है, आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं.
Great. So let's unlock a new way of making wealth. While we have traditionally learned about this other investment, opportunities, this approach opens up an exciting, opportunity that significantly enhances our financial growth and stability. So let's dive into this new way of creating wealth. So here is something which has given us a return, or rather, has increased from a value of 50 rupees to 55 lakhs. But it is not just this. This has also increased from 10 to 10 rupees to 3 lakhs in 7 years. But there is more also. This has gone from 0 to 14,500 in last 4 years. So any guesses about what we are talking? So yes, guys, we are talking here about cryptocurrency, a revolutionary path to financial growth, and it offers incredible opportunity of creating wealth. But the challenge is, what comes to our mind when we hear this word crypto, right? Am I covering all? Is this not what we think when we hear the word crypto? Right? Many people think that it's a fraud, it's scam, the uncertainty around it, the question whether it is legal, illegal. There's a perception that it is just a get-rich-quick scheme, filled with the volatility and risk. These are common concerns and also important to address as we explore the world of cryptocurrency. But let's determine whether these are just sheer perceptions, or is there anything, or is it grounded with reality? So to do that, we need to examine how cryptocurrency has progressed in our country and globally by looking at its growth, its adoption, the regulatory landscape. We can get a clearer understanding of its true potential and its impact. So let's explore with some facts and figures as to how these things have progressed in our country. Now, here's the thing, guys. In RBI, the RBI banned crypto trading in April 2018, but it was lifted back by Supreme Court on March 4th, 2020, which was 2 years later, when the court ruled the ban as disproportionate. Following this, our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced, a 30% taxation on cryptocurrency earning in the 2022 budget, making a significant regulatory step for digital currency in India. India, as we speak, ranks number one in crypto adoption. Until last year, we were number 3, but this year we have scaled to number 1 position. India also prepares to regulate cryptocurrency. RBI is already in its pilot launch. From last 2 years, we have done a pilot launch of CBDC. And we have a huge base of 5 million subscribers already in it, and there are more than 16 banks which are already participating in this pilot run. Here is the latest on this. When RBI enforced its ban on cryptocurrency in 2018, many exchanges, including Binance, MEXC, BitTorrent, were compelled to halt their operations in India. However, following the Supreme Court's lift of the ban in 2020, these exchanges sought to re-enter the market under the new regulatory frameworks. They were required to register with the Financial Intelligence Unit, which is FIU, and also were asked to implement the KYC protocols, and they were asked to comply with the anti-money laundering regulations. Once they adhered to these guidelines, they gained clearance from the government of India to resume back their business, their operations in our country. Binance was one of them. India, as I told you already, it stands number 1 in crypto adoption. So this is what is happening in India, but also let's look at what is happening globally. Okay, so globally, does everyone understand ETF? Okay, I'll just give you a brief listing on what ETF is. ETF is exchange traded fund, is an investment fund that is traded on stock exchanges, much as like your individual stocks. ETF typically holds a collection of assets such as stocks, bonds, and commodities, and they allow the investors to buy into diversified portfolio without needing to purchase each asset individually. This makes ETF a very popular choice for gaining exposure to specific sectors or markets while benefiting from the liquidity and ease of trading on the exchanges. So early 2024, January this year, US SEC, that is Security and Exchange Commission, approved 11 Bitcoin ETFs, allowing them to start trading. And this marks a significant development in the crypto investment landscape, following which Even Canada followed the suit. In fact, actually speaking, Canada ranks. Canada was the first country to announce the ETFs way back in 2021 itself. But nevertheless, it gained popularity with US giving its approval. The other countries which have given the approval post that is. It's Hong Kong is one. Canada, of course, apart from giving approval to Bitcoin, they have also given approval to Ethereum. Brazil is one of them. Excuse me, just a second. Brazil is one of them. Australia also followed the suit, and then we had plenty. We had many countries in Europe also approving the ETF of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana as well. So this is what is happening on the ETF front. Fidelity has also listed Bitcoin ETF on London Stock Exchange. Switzerland's fourth largest bank, Zurich Cantonal Bank, has also launched trading of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Our own country has started using XRP, which is Ripple, Ripple crypto for trading of oil as a commodity with UAE. That actually speaks volumes about where we are heading with crypto in the international trade. We are trading, commodity like oil also with crypto. Russia has already legalized crypto mining, and they have also legalized crypto for international trade. This is as latest as about 2 months ago. We all know that one of the hottest topic in the entire world today is American election, and the hottest topic of this is the support which Trump is giving to crypto. He has launched his own crypto, Trump coin. BlackRock, I'm sure everybody knows what BlackRock is. It is a largest asset managing company over world over. It manages close to about $9 trillion in assets, and they basically are the ones who influence the global financial market, economic trends in conjunction with their peer group, including Fidelity Investments, JP Morgan Assets, and Goldman Sachs. So if these guys are considering crypto as a source to park their money, to a source for investment, it actually demonstrates their confidence in Bitcoin and in crypto as a valuable investments. So in nutshell, what I would like to say here is whether we like it or we don't, whether we understand it or we don't, whether we acknowledge it or we don't, crypto is here. It's not going anywhere. It is here to shine and it is shaping our future. The truth is, if we ignore it or resist it, we are the ones who are going to miss out, and not crypto itself. The world is moving towards digital finance, and sooner we embrace it, the better off we will be. This is not just about investing, it's about staying relevant in the fast changing economy. So let's not be left behind. If you do not invest in crypto, you might be missing out on the next big opportunity. The choice is yours. As rightly told by Jackson Brown, nothing is more expensive than a missed opportunity. So let's understand. Let's talk about cryptocurrency. It's a true digital revolution that kicked off back in 2008. It was born out of necessity during the world economic crisis, a response to the challenges we faced in the traditional finance system. Fast forward today, as we already see, it is reshaping our monetary landscape. So what makes crypto so special? For starters, it operates on a blockchain technology, and which means that it is secure, transparent, and decentralized. So there is no middleman, there are no gatekeepers. It is just a direct way to transact and store value. Imagine being a part of a system where you are in control of your own money without having to worry about your banks, your RBI, your government, their fees, risk of fraud, blah, blah, blah. So that's the beauty of crypto. It is just not a trend. It is a evolution in how we think about money and its value. No wonder Jack Dorsey, the owner of Twitter, now currently X, has called Bitcoin the most important invention in the history of the world since internet. And Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock himself, calls it a digital digital gold. But here is the thing, having shared the exciting potential of cryptocurrency, I must emphasize on a very important caution that not all cryptocurrencies are worthy of investment. The crypto space, while innovative, has its fair share of fraud, scams, and deceptive schemes going on in the market. Many projects promise incredible return, but it turns out to be a little more than Ponzi scheme or a very poorly executed idea. It is crucial to approach this market with a healthy dose of skepticism before you invest your hard-earned money. Take time to do your homework, research the project, understand the fundamentals of the project, understand and evaluate the team behind it. Be vigilant and cautious. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrency means that while you have more control, you also bear the responsibility of ensuring your investments are sound. So what my suggestion is, stay informed. Don't let the fear of missing out drive your decisions. So let's understand what are the different kinds of crypto we have, right? First and foremost, mother coin is Bitcoin. It is much like your BSE and Sensex, reflects the performance and the health of stock market. Bitcoin acts as a crucial indicator for the trends and direction in the market. As rightly told by our founder, Mr. Pramod Sahu, he says that Bitcoin market ki dasha aur disha batati hai. So yes, that is Bitcoin for you. If you are new in the market, if you are new in the market and you don't understand anything about crypto, you are very unsure about it, my suggestion would be just consider investing in Bitcoin, even if it is smallest of the amount. Just as you diversify your investments in stock market, mutual funds, you can allocate a portion of your savings in Bitcoin. And in next 4 to 5 years, you and your family may look back and appreciate this decision, as it has a potential to significantly improve your financial situation. Next is your stable coins. Now, stable cryptocurrency is designed to maintain stability in the crypto market. It is usually pegged to a traditional currency, like for example, US dollar. Now, unlike the other cryptocurrencies, which can be highly volatile, stable coins aim to provide a reliability of a fiat money, while still allowing for a fast digital transaction. So they are commonly used for trading and as a way to store value in the crypto market without the risk of significant price fluctuation. Example is, Tether USDT. You have USDC coins. India's CBDC e-rupee is also will also be an example of stable coin. UAE government is also approving their stable coin in the form of AED. So yeah, so this doesn't give since it doesn't fluctuate much, it will also not give too great a return. But the purpose of the stable coin is very different. Now let's look at meme coins. Okay, now these are the cryptocurrencies that often gain popularity through social media and internet trends, typically without any substantial underlying value. They can be highly volatile, leading to a rapid price swings, driven by rather a hype in the market than any fundamentals. Okay, many lack real world utility, making them very speculative investments. Additionally, the meme coins are very susceptible to scams. They are market manipulations, putting the investors at risk. So my suggestion is, if you don't understand this industry much, I'm not saying that all meme coins are bad, but in case if you don't understand the industry much, this is one coin which you should stay away from. The next is the fundamental coin, or the altcoin is what it is called. So any coin which is alternative to Bitcoin is an altcoin or a fundamental coin. Now, fundamental coins are the cryptocurrencies which are backed by strong underlying technologies, real world use cases, and solid development teams. They aim to provide utility and functionality within their ecosystems, differentiating them from the meme coins. Okay, examples include your Ethereums, your Binance, Solana, Cardano, which are used for various applications like smart contracts, DeFi, or decentralized finance. These coins typically have more stable value proposition and are often a safer investments compared to this speculative coins like meme coins. So overall, fundamental coins, contribute to a long-term growth and evolution of your crypto market. So if you are not able to invest in Bitcoin because it's already got really expensive, so fundamental is what you should look at. Now let's understand the key attributes of a fundamental cryptocurrency. When you evaluate a project, These are the few key things you must evaluate. What is the company all about? What kind of team they have? What is the roadmap? What is the real revenue model? Do they have any strong use cases in the market? What has been their utility, their adoption, and most importantly, do they have a sustainable ecosystems? So if you are able to find good answers for these things, for these questions, then you must consider these projects for your investment. But in case you find these answers shady, or you don't find unclear rather, then you must definitely stay away from any such projects. So guys, this was a brief insights into the industry. Now we are here to discuss our project, MrMint. So let's understand that whether, whatever attributes I told you about fundamental crypto, whether MrMint is fulfilling those criteria or not. In case if they are fulfilling, then it might be a right platform to put in your hard-earned money. And in case if you're not convinced, then maybe it's not for you. So let's understand this. MrMint is a revolutionary platform that bridges the gap between traditional system and a decentralized technology, making Web3 accessible to everyone. So here are a few things which sets us apart from the competition. We hardly have any in India, but yet we are leading in Web3 innovation. Our platform is secure and scalable. We are already listed on the top CEX, which is centralized exchange, and DEX platforms, which is decentralized exchange. We also foster strong global partnership. We have the fastest growing community worldwide. We are backed by industry top leaders. We have showcased unparalleled growth with our trusted investors, and also have been recognized by the top industry awards. We have an in-house R&D and product development team of experts. Now that is our key USP. Coming to our vision of MrMint, our goal is clearly to position MrMint token as the most widely adopted cryptocurrency on real-world decentralized platforms. This adoption will help the usability and accessibility of our tokens on various sectors and industries. We are focused on building the largest community dedicated to decentralized health ecosystem. This community will foster the collaboration and innovation in healthcare, ensuring that everyone has access to essential services on blockchain, and also provide a platform for engagement with like-minded people. Our vision also includes developing the most extensive decentralized fantasy platform that connects the users globally with common interest. So this platform will actually allow the users to engage, compete, and collaborate regardless of their geographical location. We aim to revolutionize the traditional finance through integration of MrMint token. By leveraging the blockchain technology, we also enhance the transparency, security, and efficiency in the financial transaction. My personal favorite is the education. Is at the core of our mission. We provide users, this is what I have done to you in a very small way, but we will provide users with the knowledge and resources they need to navigate in the crypto space confidently. In fact, I personally stand here today as a proud product of MrMint education system of crypto. Otherwise, I had zilch knowledge about crypto. It is this platform which has educated me so much that I know I can proudly say that nobody can actually fool me in this space any longer. Now, this is our quick overview. Our token is built on BNB, which is nothing but Binance blockchain, and the token name is MrMint. It is designed with 18 decimals, which means it can be divided into extremely small fractions. And in future, when the token prices goes up, like the way it is with Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, we can transact even in the smallest fractions. The total supply is about 100 crores. And the current maximum supply is 66.84 crores, which means that we have already burned more than 33 crore tokens. But what is fascinating here in this entire slide is your circulating supply. Okay, the circulating supply, which means the number of tokens. So all this is there, but circulating supply means the number of tokens. Rajesh ji, मुझे बहुत सारे calls आ रहे हैं. Am I audible? Am I clear?
Loud and clear, ma'am.
Okay, good. So what I was saying
Recording
is,
stopped.
Okay. The circulating supply is the actual number of tokens which is available in the market for trading. Now, a lower circulating supply. You must be thinking that we have 66.84 crores of supply, but what is, why is the circulating supply so low? It is actually a positive sign. A lower circulating supply often leads to increased demand and can drive the value of token up. A controlled circulating supply is what actually investors look for in a project, suggesting a potential growth and value appreciation of the tokens in the future. This is our team behind MrMint from your left to right. If you see, it's Mr. Amardeep Singh Thakur, it is Mr. Balwinder Singh, Mr. Pramod Sahu, Mr. Rahul Badoria, Mr. Sandeep Gupta, and Mr. Veeresh Pratap Singh. These are our co-founders of our company. We will speak more about them in the slides here. So our founders have close to about 9 years of deep experience in the crypto industry, rooted in their background as miners. Their hands-on knowledge of the field is a strong foundation for our company's success. Additionally, we are proud that we have a dedicated in-house team of 120 experts and more than 50 to 60 people who work offline with us on a case-to-case basis. This in-house team covers all the essential areas like product development, R&D, marketing, and more. Now, unlike many in industry who rely on outsourcing, our internal team allows us to maintain a complete control, quality, and agility in every aspect of our operation. So I feel that this is one of our greatest assets, which sets us apart in the crypto space. We will talk about our technical expertise also. He is Mr. Rahul Badoria. He is our co-founder and the CEO. He is also the owner of ESP Softtech, which serves as the global face of our brand, of our company. He is recognized among the top 15 CEOs by Times of India. He frequently collaborates with the government agencies worldwide, especially in South Asia. He has 11 years of experience and 8 years of experience in blockchain, crypto, and AI. He is the most sought after speaker on the international panels. And under his leadership, ESP Softtech so far has delivered more than 500 projects globally. Right. So this is a very, very proud, achievement for all of us that a person like him is actually leading the team. So here is a quick roadmap as to how we have fared so far. The company was founded in 2021 with a commitment of making complex Web3 concepts more accessible. We had a successful, the company was obviously formed in 2021 with the ideation and the framework of the ecosystem was being formed. In 2022, we started with our ICO, April. By the end of 2022, we successfully launched our first use case, which was MintForce. In the beginning of 2023, MintForce went into full action. We also got listed on our first ever exchange in 2023. And by the end of 2023, that is October, dynamic launch of StepMint for the users covering the health industry happened. And that was in 2023. Beginning of 2024, StepMint went live onto the platform. We also saw another big milestone, which was pre-launch of SPORTSMINT, and also we have got listed on MEXC in September 2024. So that has been the journey. We will talk in detail about all these things in our upcoming slides. So we have been listed so far on MEXC, COINSTORE, PanCakeSwap, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap. Now that is the place where you should look up on us, giving us all the dope you want about the company. Now, here is our tokenomics. This is already published on the website. Now, the interesting part of our tokenomics is we prioritize good tokenomics, transparency. Transparency is key, in our tokenomics. It openly reveals, which is also published, as I told you that, published on the website. It openly reveals how tokens are managed and utilized, ensures fair distribution, controls the supply, and also incentivizes the users, which attract investors and fosters trust, eliminating any hidden agendas and demonstrating our commitment to the ethical practices. So you will never ever see of a dump and a pump situation with this company, because there is absolutely no scope left for that. Our company's tokenomics is certified by CertiK. It is one of the world's most respected auditing firm in crypto space. It's ranked among top 3 globally. CertiK certification adds a strong layer of trust and credibility to our token structure. These are the awards and achievements we have received so far. We were awarded the Best Emerging Crypto Startup of the Year at W3 Global Award, which was done in March in Bangalore, and I was fortunate enough to be a part of that event when this was being awarded. We were also awarded the Crypto Venture of the Year at Blockchain Show in Dubai. Very recently, as recent as probably last month, I guess, we were awarded the Best Emerging Crypto Innovator of the Year at the Entrepreneur Award, which happened in Delhi in India 2024. These are the partnerships, global partnerships we have done so far, all thanks to Mr. Rahul Badoria. We have collaborated with MDEC, which is in Malaysia. We have collaborated with the German blockchain. We've collaborated with Philippines blockchain. In India, we have collaborated with the top crypto influencers like Crypto Aman and Pushpender Singh. And very recently, we had collaborated also with Legend League Cricket for our SPORTSMINT product. We were the principal sponsors for Gujarat and the South team, and also an associate sponsor for Manipal Tigers. So this has been, these are the events where we have participated so far. Blockchain Week Malaysia, we marked our presence at CoinFest Asia Indonesia, W3 Summit Dubai, India in Bangalore, Crypto Expo in Dubai, Global Blockchain Show in Dubai, World Blockchain Summit in Singapore, which happened last year. I will talk more about it, and Wiki Expo in Bangkok. Now, here is what I made a special slide on this because this is very important and this event is very prestigious. Now, this event, Token 2049, is one of the largest events in the industry, which brings together leaders and innovators, which actually, who actually shape up the future of crypto. It was a proud moment for all of us to be the community partner at such a prestigious event. This shows, this shows our commitment towards the crypto currency community. This not only boosted our visibility at such an important event, but also helped us build important connection and gave us a lot of opportunity to collaborate. Now, here is where it all started. I will quickly run through this. We started with our seed funding stages. We started this in April in private sale, where the initial investors had a very, distinct advantage of getting into the company at a very low price point, which was just as low as 5 cents, which is like 4 rupees. It ended in May, about 5%, 5 crore tokens were allocated, followed by the pre-sale, where 15% tokens were allocated at a price point of 9 cents. And by August 2022, the price went to about 15 cents. This is when I invested my money with the company. I got an opportunity in the public sale phase. So overall, totally, we were able to sell close to about 7 crore tokens. Though 40 crore were allocated, only 7 crores were sold, and we raised a fund of 8.1 million, which is close to about 72 crore rupees in terms of INR. Now, so the funding in that stage was on a staking period, depending on at what stage people came. The staking period hovered between 24 months, 18, 12 months, 9 months. And during that period, the company was able to offer only 2% reward per month. Likely so because the company was in the formative stages. They could not offer anything more than that. But that also turned out to be a huge place. My money was staked for 9 months. And after the staking period, the earnings which we did in terms of the staking rewards of 2%, those were released immediately, but the principal which was staked and logged with the company are getting released in a phased manner at the rate of 3 to 5% per month. So this is how the tokens are coming in the market from the ICO holders. Now, what we do with the money is very critical. This is where our revenue model stands. This is something which we are really proud of, the way we have done our strategic investments that keep the company running strong. We started using our funds from the ICO to lay the groundwork, setting up infrastructure and getting everything off the ground. Then we made a big move by investing in a 50,000 square feet Bitcoin mining plant in Siberia. That has become a key source and steady source of revenue for us. On top of that, we also built a crypto portfolio that consistently brings in revenue. So together, these investments fund everything we need, from developing new products and R&D to covering salaries and daily operations. Okay, so this is our actual revenue source so far. With this approach, we have created a cash flow that fuels the growth and keeps us ready for our next big step. Now, after doing this, After our successful seed funding stage and smart investments, which we have done, we brought in our first use case, which is MintForce, aimed directly at the mining community. Now, the founders themselves were miners, so they understood the big challenge of this industry. As crypto adoption grew, traditional mining became very costly and less profitable. Mining turned into high expense, low reward game. So, knowing the technology and the market, they developed MintForce to being a virtual mining space or cloud mining to make it more accessible for the miners, to make it more rewarding rather for the miners. Now, with 5 crore tokens allocated to MintForce, they were sold through 40,000 mystery boxes, and it was a straight runaway success where we could sell, the mystery boxes within about 4 to 6 months of its launch. The project is designed to provide mining rewards for the next 9 years. Now, within 1.5 years, I mean, out of this 9 years, 1.5 year is already gone by, and the people who participated in this are going to reap the benefit of this investment for the next 7 odd years more. Now, what is really interesting in this or impressive about this whole thing is the first product itself, which the company had built, was with a long-term vision in mind, showcasing that the company is here to stay powerful in the market for a very long period. Right? The investors are thrilled, having already recouped their money, their investments, and made a profit of of about more than 4 times. Unfortunately, I missed out on the opportunity, sheer bad luck. But people who definitely got into it are have already reaped the benefit and are going to reap the benefit for next many years to come in. Now, post that, post the launch of NFT, MintForce, we thought that there will be a need for a platform where people can come and trade their, mystery boxes. So we launched our NFT marketplace in August 2023. Now, this is the place, the marketplace is already up and running. We have to admit that we haven't had anybody approach us yet to sell their mystery boxes. I'm eagerly waiting for one, and like me, there are many others who are waiting. But yes, the product is live and the place is available. Now, the next big step for us was getting ourselves listed on the exchange, which happened eventually on 31st March. We got listed on CoinStore at the rate of 25 cents. So yes, we closed the ICO at 15 cents and we got listed on CoinStore on at 25 cents. We didn't stop here. We also got listed on PanCakeSwap, which was a decentralized exchange. CoinStore is a centralized exchange platform. So it was important for us to cover both the ends. We were really maximizing our reach and making it easier for everyone to get involved. So yeah, this was the reason why we chose these two exchanges. Now, this is how the community has been growing so far, very actively and very steadily. This is organic growth, steady and organic growth, what we have seen, right from 1,000 users to a lakh of users right now. We have about 2 lakh of community users and active users of 1 lakh, built from Q2 of 2023 to 2024, which I feel is a phenomenal achievement. This has been the price growth, right from 5 cents, 9 cents, 15 cents to 25 cents. That is where we got listed. I have been actively part of this journey from 0.3 to 0.63. Now, what you see here is, a very steady growth. And this data is available on all the public domains. So you will never seen a pump and a dump kind of a situation here with us. You can always verify the data. The price growth has also been pretty stable and organic. Here is the trade volume, just to give you a sneak peek. Trade volume, we have reached a substantial amount. In Q3, we were hovering around $10 lakh per day. In Q2, we were just 4 lakhs. In Q3, we progressed to 10 lakhs, and now we are trading at about $50 lakh every single day. This is trade volume of 24 hours with us. Now, here are certain factors which you need to understand, which is actually influencing our price. We have a limited circulating supply, which means that we are creating a scarcity and driving the demand and potentially increasing the token value. We have multiple use cases which appeals to the broader audiences in different industries, increasing their utility. Liquidity management ensures that we have enough tokens are available for transactions, reducing the price volatility. This smooth trading environment actually attracts more investors and enhances the market confidence. Large community, we have already spoken about this. Burning mechanism is something which reduces the total supply over the time, creating a scarcity and potentially boosting the value. So MrMint, yes, MrMint is a deflationary token. I'll take a minute here. I'm starting. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am, done. Please.
So yes, MrMint is a deflationary token. Let's come to the most important topic of the day, which we are here for, our second use case, which is StepMint. And let's understand as to why at all this project was launched by the company. Now, we have targeted very strategically industry, health and fitness industry. This industry consistently ranks among the top 5 industry in terms of growth and consumer spending. Look at the number of gyms and fitness centers around you, both in the fitness equipment industry, dietary supplements, etc. They're all flourishing in the last decade or so. So one of the pressing challenges in this field, which we have identified, is the alarming rise of lifestyle and obesity related disorders. Okay, over the past decade, the issue not only impacts the individual health, but also places a significant burden on the healthcare system worldwide. So let's take a moment and see some compelling facts and figures which highlights the urgency of the situation. 71% of the global deaths, which is like 41 million, are due to lifestyle diseases like heart conditions, diabetes, cancers, etc. This is not published by me. This is a figure which is given by WHO. 2.8 million deaths actually are linked with obesity. Obesity rates have quadrupled, which means it has grown 4 times ever since 1975, and over 1 billion adults are already in the category of obese in 2022 itself, which is like 1 in 8. The NCDs are projected to cost the global economy $7 trillion by 2030, right? So yes, we have a great challenge on hand, but let's discuss the reason behind this rise in lifestyle and obesity related disorders. While factors like unhealthy diets, economic disparities, stress are significant, the major culprit in this is the sedentary lifestyle, which is prevalent in our society today. Although technology has proven to be a boon in more than many ways, offering incredible convenience and efficiency, it has also proven to be a bane in many respects, with everything delivered at your doorsteps, at your touch of finger. We are becoming less mobile. Screen time in kids lives, screen time is replacing their physical play time. Rise in the IT jobs and the remote work has also been the worst recipe to increase this immobility in people and increase this health crisis which we are facing today. So let's discuss. Globally, many countries have initiated various strategies to combat, the diseases. WHO has recommended to walk 10,000 steps per day as a key strategy to combat this inactivity-related health risk. The benefits are very simple yet very effective, actually very substantial. Regular walking helps us improve our cardiovascular health. It aids in weight management, boosts our mental well-being, and enhances the overall fitness. Additionally, incorporating daily walking in our routine can actually risk the chronic diseases such as diabetes and hypertension. The government agencies, health agencies are also taking various initiatives. Urban planning, they are creating more paths, bike lanes. Corporates are doing a lot of workplace initiatives. They are providing you standing desk, active. They're giving you active breaks. They're also incentivizing you if you actively engage in regular exercises. They are incentivizing you with coupons and rewards and stuff like that. Education campaign are being launched to raise awareness. Insurance companies are giving you hefty discounts to the customers who are walking 10,000 steps daily. But the challenge is this. The overall combined effort of these companies, these health agencies, which is aiming to motivate individuals to prioritize physical activity, is only 35%, which is really alarming, right? Despite this numerous initiatives, the overall success rate is only 35%. So it actually raises an important question as to what is holding back, right? We all desire to remain active and healthy. Who wants to live an unhealthy life and face some chronic diseases for life? But the results indicate that there is a disconnect between our intention and our action. So let's see what is the reason behind it. I say that it's all in the mind, as we say. The human mind can be very tricky, and it's one of the biggest it's one of the biggest demands is instant gratification. We want to see quick results from our efforts. For example, after walking 10,000 steps or hitting a gym for an hour, we expect to see some immediate change. Like weighing scale pe gaye and we want to see a half a kilo less on that, but that doesn't happen, right? Instead after a workout you feel soreness, and then you are you are wondering as where is the gain. There is only pain, right? So this lack of instant result can be really discouraging. The next day morning, it's all too easy to find yourself hitting the snooze button and nicely, sleeping away to glory, or, going back to your TV and do your binge watch instead of going back to your exercise routine. So without an immediate payoff, it is tough to turn your exercise into a lifestyle choice, right? So definitely the mind curves for instant gratification and reward, and there is nothing more motivating than money. So financial incentive can provide that immediate boost we all seek. When people see a tangible reward, right, in the form of money or cash, right, it can significantly motivate them to engage into healthier habits or stick to their financial routine. So let's see what Mr. Mint has done. Mr. Mint saw a clear need. People crave for instant reward and real incentive to stay active. Enter StepMint, a groundbreaking move to earn concept that turns every step you take into a wealth building opportunity, right? It's a revolutionary journey that makes you wealthier step by step. Using Web3 technology, StepMint seamlessly combines health and wealth, offering real crypto reward for your daily steps. And it's right on your mobile, the one device which has become our extended body part. It is always there with us. So on this platform, it motivates you to hit 10,000 steps each day, transforming routine movement into your journey towards your financial growth. Not only your financial growth, but also your health growth. So with StepMint, every step is just not a move. It is an investment in healthier and wealthier you. So let's break down as to how we actually earn from StepMint. There are two ways. One is move to earn and one is refer to earn. With move to earn, every step you literally take counts towards your wealth. By just walking, you earn real crypto rewards, making each step into closer both to fitness and financial gains. Then there is refer to earn. When you bring others into StepMint community, you earn an additional reward as they begin their own journey to health and wealth. StepMint makes it very simple. You are rewarded not only staying for, you're rewarded not only for staying active, but also to growing a community of people who are committed to a healthier lifestyle. Now, move to earn is very, very simple. It is a 3-step process. You subscribe to a move to earn NFT package, just like a gym membership. Next, you commit to walking 10,000 steps each day to keep your NFT active and energized. Finally, you earn a daily crypto reward, which you can easily convert into your local currency and pocket it. So it is as simple as that. Subscribe, walk, and earn. And here is the package, the subscription packages. This starts with as low as $100 package, which is a walkers package, goes up to $200, $400, $500. Now here, as you see, $100 package rewards you 0.5% every day. $200 gives you 0.56%, a $400 gives you 0.62% reward every day, and a $500 gives you 0.68. Now, if you multiply this monthly, a $100 plan will give you around 15%, a 200 gives you around 17%, a $400 plan will give you 19%, and a $500 plan gives you 20%. So you have to understand as to what percentage are we talking about. Now, this is a standard thing which we have done with respect to dollars. But what you actually get from this value is your mint tokens. Okay, so you require mint tokens to subscribe for these plans. And what you get in return of on walking 10,000 steps is also mint token at the rate which I have told you, right? 0.5% to 0.68% in this case, in the basic NFT subscriptions. You get your mint tokens in your account daily by walking 10,000 steps. Okay, so the next set of subscriptions these are the most popular subscriptions. It ranges from $1,000 to $2,500 to $5,000 to $10,000. Now here is what it is. $1,000 subscription will give you around 0.74% reward every day. A $2,500 will give you 0.8% reward every day. A $5,000 gives you 0.9%, and a $10,000 gives you 1%. So this, if you translate into monthly rewards, it gives you 22%. $1,000 will give you 22%. A 2.5 will give you 24%. $5,000 gives you 27% per month, and a $10,000 will give you 30% per month reward. Now these are all gross figures. Minus approximately 5% will make this net for you. So let's say $1,000 net gives you 17%. 2,500 will give you 19%, 5,000 will give you 22%, and a $10,000 will give you 25% per month net reward for you. Now, this is subject to market conditions. I'm again telling you, this is subject to market conditions. It is a crypto token, so it is subject to, the price varies from day to day, month to month, week to week. But the projections which I'm giving you in terms of INR is on a condition that, where your price is not fluctuated, your entry point and your exit point remains the same. For example, the day you have subscribed to the plan, let's suppose the rate of the token on that day is $0.5, which is 50 cents. Okay, so I'll just take that as a broad example. If you are entering at 50 cents and you're also selling your tokens at 50 cents, you're earning from a $1,000 plan, which will be close to about 16 to 17,000 rupees. $2,500 will give you an earning of around 50 to 55,000 rupees. $5,000 can give you easily about 1.2 lakhs. $10,000 will give you around 2.5 lakhs. Again, I'm telling you all, this is subject to market conditions. I'm just giving you a figure for you to get the numbers in place. It is subject to market condition depending on your entry and your exit price. Now, the next opportunity here is, with the beauty of move to earn was literally you were making your steps into way of earning. But with StepMint, there is even more potential. We are not here for small gains. We are here to earn big, and here is where it gets really exciting. Not only you benefit from your steps, but also you earn while helping others stay fit. Every time you refer someone to StepMint, the company rewards you with instant 10% commission, which straight away comes into your account in the form of Mint tokens. And yes, all your earnings here is in Mint tokens alone. Now, let's look at the example here. Suppose you have introduced 5 people to a growing community with a subscription value of $1,000, $2,500, $5,000, one more $2,500, and a $500. So overall, your subscription value is close to about $11,500. You straight away make 10% from this, which is around $1,150 as income, right? Just for motivating people to join a healthier lifestyle, right? It's that simple. And the best part is there is no limit. You can refer as many people as you like, building both your income and also the community, which is committed to fitness. Now, next one is this is your community reward. This is the previous one which you saw is very similar to sales. Sales incentive, you subscribe, you refer a subscriber, and you earn. But here, if you're ready to take an added responsibility of building a team of motivated individuals who share your commitment to growth, and the company offers you an additional reward in the form of community rewards, or what we call it as matching bonus. So here is how it works. The structure is somewhat like binary, but it is not a binary structure. We call it a hybrid. We call it a hybrid model, because in binary you are restricted to working only on 2 legs, but that is not the case here. So in this example, let's take this example. Let's suppose you have created 4 legs. Let's start with leg 1. You have done a business of, let's say, $5,000. Now this doesn't have to be only you. This is you and your team together. So on leg 1, which is your node 1, if you have done a business of 5,000, and on leg 2, you have done a business of, let's say, $1,000, right? The lower value matches with the higher value. Okay, so here in this case, $1,000 will match with 5,000, and you make a earning of 10% on the $1,000, which is the matching amount. A 10% on that makes it $100, right? So you make an additional income of $100 on your matching income. Now, let's say now after this is matched, what remains on your leg 1 is 4,000 credit. Okay. Now, once you add your leg 3, let's say you bring in a third referral who also invests, let's say, $1,000. Okay. Now, this $1,000 will match with the remaining amount of $4,000 on leg 1, and you will earn a 10% of that 1,000 also, which means that you will be making an earning of $100 more. Now, from leg 1, now you have already taken a matching bonus of 2,000. So the leftover amount there will be 3,000. Once you add your leg 4, right? As I told you that the company has not kept any restriction. You can have as many directs as possible. Each direct represents your leg or nodes is what it is called. So let's say you have introduced your 4th referral, and that person has come with $2,500. He or his friends have come with around a business of $2,500. Now $2,500, and we have on leg one a leftover balance of 3,000. So $2,500 matches there, and you make a earning of 10% there, which is $250. So in this overall example, your leg one has generated a business of 5,000, which is your strong leg. Your leg two, leg three, leg four together have generated a business of $4,500, which will be your supporting legs. And this lower volume will match with the strong leg, which is $4,500, has matched with $5,000 and given you a 10% reward of $450. Right now, the company has not kept any capping on the number of levels. Okay, how deep your team can go, they have not kept any cappings on that, but no earning can ever be unlimited earning. So the company has kept a capping on the reward you can earn on daily basis on the community reward, right? And that is directly correlated with your subscription amount. So if you have started your subscription package with $100, your capping will be restricted to $100. If it is 200, then it is 200. If it is 400, your capping is increased to $400. And if it is 500, then it is restricted to $500. But if you go over $1,000, whether it is 1,000, 2,500, 5,000, or 10,000, the capping level is set to $1,000 only. Now here, the point to be noted is there is no lapse or time limit of the credit you have built under you. It will carry forward forever as of now. It is forever unless you match it and you earn it. Okay, so this is the second income which you which you earn by referring people and building a community under you. Now here, this is my favorite. Now that we have covered the first two income streams, your direct referral and your community reward or matching bonus, let's talk about a crucial component of the earning here, potential here, which is the Walker's Royalty Program. Now, the first two incomes we discussed are one-time earnings, but here is what which will actually create a sustainable passive income for you and your family. This is where the Walker Royalty Program comes into play. Now, this is how it works. With this program, it allows you to earn daily income based on the activity of your team. The exciting part is you can earn up to 15 levels of your referrals. This means that as your team grows and performs, you also benefit financially from it. Now, there is a capping on the number of levels here. Unlike the previous one, there is a capping on the number of levels here. But let me tell you one thing, this is no small feat. I have been part of this journey for last 10 months now, and I have reached only 12 levels so far. So this is just to show you how much potential there is for the growth and the earning as you build your team. So I will quickly share this with you. From your level 1, which is your direct referral, you make around 5%, right? 5% of their daily income. Now, the condition is that you only make the money as per your original, as per your package. Okay, so this is one condition which you have to be wary about. From level 2, you start making 4%. Level 3 gives you 3%. Level 4 gives you 2%. Level 5 gives you 1%. From level 6 to 8, you earn 0.5%. From level 9 to 11, you earn 0.3%. And from level 2 to level 15, you earn 0.15%. Now, there is a condition. This is a huge earning potential, but there is a condition to this. To open your level 2, 3, 4, earnings, you need to have minimum 3 directs equal to, there's a condition to this also, minimum 3 directs equal to or greater than your package amount. For level 5 to 10, you need 4 directs. Again, the same conditions apply, equal to or greater than your package. And for opening up levels from level 1 to level 15, you need minimum 5 directs. Again, the same conditions, same or above your package. So this is the conditions. Keep in mind one golden rule for all the packages, for all the levels, that the level income will come to you only and only as per your package. Right. So this is what I have been thriving upon. And this is what a person who is team driven and who's developing a huge team will work for. So the first two incomes are just one time. Today, even if I'm out, to Bahamas with my family for a month vacation, this income will never stop, because as people keep working to make their own money, I also make, or you all also will make a small percentage out of that, which in volumes, which will convert into volumes and give you a very, very big income. So here I have completed the compensation plan. I know it can be slightly complicated to understand in one go. My recommendation would be that you sit with the person who has invited you to understand this further in detail. We are running short of time. So I'll just quickly run you through the roadmap of the company, because, to build trust in any project, it is essential to examine the past, the present, and most importantly, the future. So we have already discussed the history, the current status. Let's focus on what lies ahead of MrMint. Now, in this month, next month, we are expecting the launch of StepMint phase 2. There are certain, there are very interesting things which are coming up in StepMint phase 2. It will no longer be just a walk and earn kind of a app. There are a lot of more things which are getting added to StepMint in the phase 2. SPORTSMINT, we have successfully completed the soft launch of SPORTSMINT with the beta version already operational for last 3 months. It is first of its kind globally to launch a fantasy gaming on Web3 plus blockchain platform. We are eagerly anticipating the official launch and expect to share some exciting news about exciting updates coming up related to SPORTSMINT. So stay tuned for this space. Do follow us on all your social media pages for getting all the updates about StepMint and SPORTSMINT. Another exciting development in the foray is crypto trading. We are entering the crypto trading space with MrMint Exchange. We are establishing our own crypto exchange under our brand. I'm particularly enthusiastic about the upcoming SIP model into the crypto system. This model is designed to make investing more accessible and manageable for everyone. And I personally believe that this will have a significant impact on how people approach the crypto investments. We will, by mid of next year, we will also be launching our own blockchain with the cutting edge features, which will be beyond the TPS and low transaction fees. This development will further strengthen our ecosystem and enhance the services we offer to our users on B2B space. So, folks, as you can see, the future of MrMint is filled with promise and filled with innovations. We are committed to delivering exciting new projects on Web3, on blockchain, but to our community, and also to ensure to reinforce the trust you have you have in us. We are just getting started, guys, and there is much more. There is much more to come in future ahead. Here is what it is. We are getting listed. These are the plans. We will be very soon getting listed on Bybit, Gate.io, and Binance. This is going to give us increased liquidity on MrMint token. Will give us wider global reach, and user base will be as of now we are only the only trading option we have is USDT. But with all these options coming up, we will be having more trading pairs and options. The price potential for increased token value and utility. On-ramp integration with Alchemy Pay, right, is something which we are all looking forward to, because this is what will give us easy accessibility for buying MrMint token, via multiple fiat currencies like INR, AUD, AED, your Sri Lankan currency, Pakistan currency. So we are will be available in more than 192 currencies, and this is going to create a user-friendly ecosystem. Integration. It will expand our global reach, and it will actually simplify the onboarding of new users. This is very critical for the success of SPORTSMINT. So we are already on our way to doing this. These are the upcoming events which the company intends to participate going forward. These are all the big events which are happening all over the globe, where we plan to mark our presence. So yes, this is about MrMint and the potential and the opportunity it holds for you. If you're still confused, I don't think there is any scope of confusion left. Guys, take a decision today. And as of today, I want to leave you with a very, very powerful thought. Your journey to financial freedom and empowerment begins with a single step. By joining MrMint, you are just not becoming a part of a network. You are embracing an opportunity to transform not only your own life, but also the lives of your loved ones. Imagine a future where you will have a financial means, not only to support your family, we are all doing that currently, but also to pursue your passion, to create a legacy that lasts for generations to come. Right, at MrMint, we provide you tools, resources, and community to support you to help achieve those dreams. Now is the time for you to take action. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. right? The journey may be challenging, but the rewards, trust me, guys, when I say this, the rewards are immense. Before I conclude, I encourage you all to connect with the person who has invited you to this call today. They can provide you with more detailed information about the proposal, and they can answer your questions if you have any doubts on mine. This is an important step to ensure you fully understand the opportunity available to you with MrMint. Join us at MrMint, and let's work together to build a brighter future for you and your family. Remember, the change always begins with you. Right? Thank you for your time, and I look forward to welcoming you all to MrMint family. We have taken a lot of time, but I'm sure it was useful and will help you make an informed decision.